So if you are using the scanner 24/7, I would definitely suggest that you go with our ScanCare.
We schedule 3 preventative maintenance on site with our technicians. They come in and clean the machines. They make sure they're running properly so you don't have any downtime because downtime costs money.
So I think that with ScanCare, the most underrated part of the offering that we have is the training. We will send someone out to train you as the end user on how to use the scanner and to know everything you need to know about that scanner going into it. So I think the best customer for ScanCare would be someone who uses their scanner day in and day out.
Your service bureaus, your hospitals with a lot of back patient data files.
And at the end of the day, they need to be able to know that they have this service in place and they have someone that they can call and that their scanners are going to be back up and running and complete their tasks.